Alright, so it's Wednesday, and we just ate breakfast, and we're getting ready to go see a moose. It's literally around the corner, but hopefully it's not gone when we get there. Hey, we're Michael and Abby.
Just two normal people who love to travel.
We think that life is meant to be lived, so we started out documenting ourselves living life to the fullest.
Our hope is to inspire others to get out there and make more memories, no matter what they are.
In this travel vlog, we're hanging out in Hope in Anchorage, Alaska.
Pretty close. It's going to be just...
So as you may have guessed, because I said we're going to go look for a moose, I jinxed it. Yeah, so didn't see a moose. But yeah, anyways, today we're going to just hang out at the cabin. It's supposed to be rainy today, but hopefully it looks kind of clear now, so I really hope it stays clear. And then fly the drone, get some drone shots, just kind of hang out. Drove up Hallmark Creek and got some awesome drone shots. It was like the top of, there's a mountain up there, and we drove to the top of that and got some awesome drone shots. The vehicle driving, saw no wildlife again, yeah, and I think we're gonna go up to a campground again later. There's supposed to be an awesome shot of the ocean. Fly my drone out there. There's beluga whales normally, so hopefully I can fly out and get some drone shots of the belugas, but I don't know what's going on now. But we're gonna head in the cabin and just kind of hang out, I guess. We've been sleeping up there in that little loft, and you should see how to get up in there. All right, so walk back here, climb up this ladder. I hit my head every time. All right, now this is the tricky part. You gotta crawl through this little hole. It's like a little hobbit hole. And yeah. So crawl through here. And sleeping up here. I'm pretty tall, so I'm not really tall, but I'm like, 6'2", 6'1". So it's really tough for me. Ow! So there you go. Right on camera. So yeah. But it overlooks the whole place, which is cool. That actually hurt really bad. Yeah, so that's the sleeping quarters. So we stopped at Grandma and Chuck's cabin being built. See the progress so far. It's a doggy puppy.
It's like taller and big.
It's a good size.
Where's the loft up there?
Yeah.
Okay.
2 lofts.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, so we're walking over to the neighbors for a cookout. There's a little bridge to walk across. Alright, so it's Thursday already, and we're heading into Anchorage and gonna do some shops and maybe go to Cabela's. And it's about an hour and a half drive. We're not gonna see any wildlife. Not at all. Okay, so we're at Cabela's in Anchorage. We hit Cabela's every place we go, so we have to hit this one too. I'm sure it's mostly the same, but it looks pretty big, so it looks bigger than a lot of them. Hey Moose, I got a question. What are those? Stop for lunch to get some smash burger, and it's the only place you're gonna be able to get the Alaskan Kenai, which is sitting right here. You got mayo, jalapenos, haystack onions, bacon, burger, and I substituted for a Chipotle bun, and Kenai cheese.
That's the key. That's the key to the Kenai.
We're about to smash this smash burger.
Alright. Cheers. They're really good.
I haven't tried it yet, I'm Snapchatting. Alright, so we're in downtown Anchorage in the shop area. We're gonna walk into the Rusty Trombone, or the Rusty Harpoon. Should be cool. Yeah? What are you choosing between?
I don't know.
All I know is I'm getting this bad boy. Here, get this.
No.
Ooh.
I think that really looks good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Son of a bitch. I'm trying to get that Clefable. I don't know where it is. Because on the TV show, the Clefairy would take the moonstones to evolve. This kind of reminds me of the area, like Alaska in general, where the moonstone would be, or the moon rock, whatever it's called, I don't know. We've been after this Sidnaquil. He's a feisty little guy. I want to feed him. Did you cut him?
No.
Get him. He keeps jumping free. He's gonna run. Oh my god, he freaking ran.
That's what I've got you now.
That's not. So it warmed up to a real hot 60 degrees today. I had to take the jacket off. It feels like fall. So I'm excited to get some bucks, some starbs.
In Alaska, where did you live?
Yeah,
I know.
You're considered a local.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we had to get our Alaska mug from Starbucks. We try to get one in every city or state we go to.
So, we saw some beluga whales, and Michael hurried up and got his drone. He got some footage, but we're hopefully trying to get a better shot of them right now. And he's just getting prepared.
Beluga water.
So yeah, right now we're just waiting, hoping that they'll all come this direction.
I got some good beluga shots. My God, is it windy. I didn't think the drone was coming back. It drifted really far out.
You can see the propellers now.
Yeah, that's how windy.
Not even on.
That's how windy it is. It's not even on.
Oh, but this is going to be awesome. Can't wait for you guys to see it.
Getting ready to do some moose steaks on the grill and some moose hot dogs. Not much on Wild Games, so hopefully it's good. I hear they're amazing, so we'll give it a shot.
It tastes good, but I'm trying to think of what it tastes like.
Potatoes are good.
Like,
No, I
no.
I bet they're good.
It's a moose hot dog,
Moose hot dog.
and we're gonna eat moose steak. Go for it.
Well, I gotta doctor my dog. Let's see, a little mustard on. Tastes like a Slim Jim.
That's what it tastes like.
Yeah.
That's what it
You know, it
was.
kind of looked that way when
It
I was
did. I think
Some moose steak. Right here.
Yeah, I think you do have.
Is it like in yours?
I am. It's spicy, but it's good.
Oh, okay. Everybody having a good time?
Give me a show, babe.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We'd really appreciate if you hit that like and subscribe if you haven't already.
And don't forget to follow us on Instagram and TikTok.
And we will see you on the next video, where we head to Kenai Fjord National Park, and let me tell you, we see the cutest otters in Seward.